How you going, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to reset your battery charging module after replacing the battery. First of all, what we're going to do is we're going to turn on the ignition, and then within 10 seconds I'm going to flash the high beam lights 5 times and then press the brake pedal 3 times. Turn on the ignition without pressing the brake pedal, obviously. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, and then you wait a few moments, and then the battery should start to flash. There you go. Job done. And that's it, guys. Thanks very much for watching. Take care.